Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create like a Disney castle photo manipulation in Photoshop. Before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new loots, presets, lightroom preset, camera preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. So let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the photo which you want to get edited. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool from the toolbox. Click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. Now right click on it and select leave a copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of the selection. Now let's add some background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file, click on open, and let's browse the background which we want to add in this photograph. So let's add this castle in this photo. All you need to do is just drag it and drop over here. It is really very simple to add the background in the image. Now let's press Ctrl T from the keyboard to enlarge the image. You can also decrease the size if you want to decrease it. Now we will crop the image. So select the crop tool from here and let's select the crop image final cropping. Let's select up to this one and just press enter. Now all you're gonna do is just create new layer and select the brush tool and just click on this nearest color of the image and just paint it, because we don't want this area to be seen. So just paint in the sky color area. Now you can see the before and after effect. We have just hidden that lamp which we don't want. Now all you're going to do is just go to the filter, select blur, then select box blur, and to make the box blur to around 32%, and just press OK. Now let's add one more. Just drag and drop this PNG over here on the above the subject layer. Press Ctrl T and just go to the filter, select Gaussian blur, and Gaussian blur to around 38% would be okay, and just keep it somewhere over here. Like this, just keep it somewhere over here, and that's it. Now all you're gonna do is just add some more blackness on the image. So we'll just select the solid color from here and select the black color. Click on this mask mask icon, and just select the brush tool and select the black color here, and just erase it on the area where you don't want the black color. and just decrease the opacity. Now it seems, now change the blending mode to multiply. Now just merge all the layers. Before merging, just press Ctrl L on this subject layer. To enhance the image. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. And again let's crop one more time by pressing the crop tool and just press enter. Now I'll go to the file, click on camera filter, and let's add some filter to the photograph. Before getting to the filter, let's add one more. Yes, that is remain. No, let's add some filter. After that we will add some dust particles on this image. Go to the preset tab and select any of the preset which you want. You can just use it in your photograph. I think let's add this teal and gold effect, I guess. Or let's just add some roots on this image. So let's go to the filter. Or let's just create minor cross processing from the curves. Only do a little bit of, Now let's duplicate this layer. Let's go to the camera filter. Go to the preset tab and let's select this preset and just press OK. Or let's press, you can select any of the loops if you want. Let's select this loot file and just press OK. Now here we will change the color of the skin. So just decrease the opacity. To around 50%. Go to the hue and saturation, select the red color from here and just change it to -1. and decrease thumb opacity to around -15. Now it actually looks like a real skin tone. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's add some black look on the image. So we'll go to the curves and click on this here and one more point over here, and just increase a little more blackness from here. And that's it. And decrease the opacity to around 70% or 60%. And just merge all the layers. Now let's add some particles on the image. Just drag and drop over here. Press Ctrl D to enlarge the image. And just change the blending mode to screen. And you can erase some particles from the hand region or wherever you don't want. You can just erase it by using the eraser tool. Now just merge both the layers, and that's it. So here you can see we have created a very nice, perfect Disney castle like photo manipulation in Photoshop. Well, if you enjoyed the video, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post the video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of photoediting stuff for face. So go and check it out that website. Well, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video.